What up, everybody, and welcome to Baz on Blades. My name is Baz, and I talk about blades, and today we're going to do a very quick unboxing. I promise it is going to be quicker than normal. No need to step away and to eat a meal or to go to the bathroom or anything. Super quick. Here we go. We got a package here from Justin at White Mountain Knives. Thank you to Justin as always. I have cut the tape on this. Justin and his peanuts. I don't like peanuts, but you know, could be worse. Could be full of body parts. It could be full of old dried up fingers or something. I don't know. So what do we got here? We've got the God, I'm so out of practice on this. We've got another Tucson product here. I am working on a little bit of a thing here at Baz on Blades, and that is a Tucson collection. But we are going to do a Tucson collection in M390. We've got the TS223 here in M390. This is not a new model from Tucson. It is an old favorite, apparently. It is named the Monarch. And I did glance around the YouTube Zors, and I saw videos going back 4 years on this knife. Maybe even longer. So this is not going to be new for anybody. We're not going to waste a whole bunch of time on this. There's plenty of review videos out there from channels that are at least, you know, good channels at least. I know Metal Complex has got a video on it. LTK has got a video up on it. I don't know if OG does, but you can also check with him. The TS223, this is another bolster build in a frame lock, or what everybody likes to call a bolster lock. Titanium milled pocket clip, titanium backspacer, titanium frame, carbon fiber handle scales that look to be very nice. And I saw a lot of videos where they said that this edge around the carbon fiber was very crisp. This is chamfered. So that is an improvement that apparently they have made to this model, as they have been making it through at least 4 years of production. Let's see how the D10 is. Oh, yeah, that's right in there. That is right in there. And by right in there, I mean it's good. Oh, good action. Yeah, that's just right. That's on medium hard. Very snappy. It feels very crisp as it breaks the detent. Yeah. Out of the box, it's pretty clean feeling. I don't feel a lot of anything. Everything is very smooth. It's got a very smooth feel to it, as this is a satin finished blade here, and that's more of a satin sort of bead blasty type of knockdown satin rather than a as ground. So yeah, that's not bad. How does the centering look to you guys? Looks like it might be. I mean, it might be favoring the lock side. Favoring the lock side, maybe. Let's see if we got any. Nah, super solid. Yeah, I don't feel anything. Yeah, I'm putting it on that. I don't feel anything at all. There's a lockup out of the box. I'd say that's 40 percentile. Full flat ground. Sort of a leaf-shaped drop point. Do have a chamfered edge up on the spine. Nicely broken there. Yeah, everything. I mean, you can see there's obviously all the edges are broken on this. That's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. Great action. That's fantastic action. And I can't tell if that's an optical illusion or if it's... I think it may just be an optical illusion because I used 2 overhead lights. Although they are bouncing off of the ceiling, I still do get some directional light. So that may be an optical illusion. Boy, that tip of that blade sits in there real well. Nowhere near the back here, so we're not able to touch that edge anywhere. Jimping. Oh, crisply cut jimping. Very well done. Very well done. There is no jimping on the spine of the blade. That's pretty ergonomic handle shape there. I know Dan the man, first thing he's going to say when he sees this, as soon as he grabs a hold of it, I'm going to see it in his eyes. He's going to be like, there's no jimping on it. You know, he just can't get it up for a knife that doesn't have jimping. He's just that kind of guy. I don't know if his wife has actually got any jimping or not, but I hope she does because he really likes jimping. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. That's not too bad at all. Let's listen to that as we go into detent. Yeah, that's nice right there. That's nice right there. The tip of that pocket clip is relieved, but that is a pretty thin section. It still feels like not an issue in the hand. I don't think it would be a hot spot. I mean, I can feel a pocket clip there, but again, it's a folding knife. I don't hardcore use folding knives. It doesn't matter what they are, who makes them, or what kind of lock they have. I don't hardcore use folding knives. But I am going to say this. As far as the fit and finish goes, let's see how tight the fitting is between the scales and the bolster area there. Roll right across that on the show side. Let's go over here to the lock side. Just the right amount of relief here. Just the right amount. Dual screws to lock that that hardened steel lock face insert in. It's not bad. You got a couple of screws here for the covers, for the scales. That's going to be a through screw right there. I'm going to say there's an insert in here, a two-sided steel insert down in there, and that's what those screws are screwing into, I would just about bet. Here's your blade markings. It's a Jelly Jerry design. TS223 M390. So like I said, I'm working on a little bit of a Tucson M390 collection. I think this will be my 4th or 5th one. In fact, I have, including this one, I have 4 sitting on the review table here to review. Oh my God. I am such a loser. I got to get back at this. I've got to get back at this. I've got to get motivated. Yeah, I'm working on a little bit of an M390 collection from Tucson, and this TS223 seems like it's going to be a pretty decent addition. Like I say, there's plenty of reviews out there on this knife. You know, I'm going to do a follow-up review, an in-depth review after I carry it for a week or two. I'll keep it short, you know, since there's so many reviews. It's such an old model, but it's damn near impossible unless you're just some Tucson super freak It's damn near impossible to keep up with them. I do not even know how many different current production models they have. I could not even guess. What I do is I use White Mountain knives. I buy all of my Tucson there, and I just go and I do a search for Tucson, brings it up. I check the in stock only, and then I arrange them by price from high to low. And the more expensive top end is where all the M390, there's some S90V, there's their new YJ1, whatever the hell it is, the spray form modified version of M390 that is their proprietary new steel. But if you look at it that way, you can catch everything as it comes into Justin. He's constantly getting new stock in. And it'll be new models and old models that are being replenished. And I caught this when it was an old model that was being replenished that I had set up notifications on, restock notifications, and yeah, there you go. So that is the Tucson TS223. Just generally for size, this thing is a 3.5 inch blade. 8 inches overall at least. It feels like the handle is you're in paramilitary 2 blade size, but the handle is more compact. It is slightly shorter, so that handle to blade ratio is going to be really good on this knife. I can already tell that. That's a good looking knife. It's not a bad looking knife at all. It is not a bad looking knife at all. Typical Tucson build quality from what I see initially. If you guys caught any flaws that I didn't catch on this quick look, then you can drop down into the comment section and let me know. We got a bunch of these Tucson M390 knives coming up, and there you go. As always, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of my videos. God bless all of you, and we will talk to you again.